Jai Hind. In this video, we'll learn non-finite verb. In the previous video, parts of speeches, we have seen verb of two types, finite verb and non-finite verb. Finite verbs are the concrete verb, whereas non-finite verbs are of three types that we'll see today. Infinitive, participle and gerund. 2 plus verb 1 is infinitive. Verb with ing or ed suffix is participle and verb with ing form is gerund. Now we'll see infinitive. Infinitive is very simple, 2 plus verb 1, but it is working as different types as a noun. First of all, to forget is to forgive. To forget is the noun. To forgive is the complement. She offered to help in any way except to wash the dishes. To help is the object of verb offered, and to wash is the object of preposition. And all these green words are the infinitive. Now infinitive as adjective. That was a day to remember. To remember modifies the noun a day. So to remember is working as an adjective. It is infinitive. As adverb, Mrs. Joshi rose to speak. To speak modifies the verb rose. Bare infinitive, it means it comes with modal auxiliary. You must go for the party. Here go is the bare infinitive. Now we'll see participle. Participle is a verb form used as an adjective, and in gerund it is the verb form used as a noun. First of all, we'll see participle used as an adjective. It is of two types, present participle and past participle. Present participle means ing form of verb. The crying baby hid under the table. Here crying modifies the noun baby, so it is working as the adjective. It is present participle. The baby was crying. This is not the participle because it is used as verb phrase, was crying. Now past participle, verb with d or ed suffix. Shama refuses to eat cooked vegetable. Here cooked is the past participle. Now we'll see gerund. Gerund, it is a verb with ing form used as noun. And like noun, gerund are used as subject, complement, object and object of preposition. Now see this 4 example. Walking is good exercise. What is good? Walking. Now we are getting the answer of what. So it is noun, and the verbs working as noun are called gerund. In all these 4 cases, this is gerund but used as a subject. My hobby is reading. Here reading is a gerund but the function is complement. Sakshi enjoys reading. What did Sakshi enjoy? Reading. So reading is a direct object. It is gerund. This is not meant for reading. The object of preposition for, this is also gerund. Now see this example. Heeding the guidance, she was not planning to go for trekking. Here trekking is only the gerund. What did she plan? Trekking. So trekking is the gerund. But in 2 cases, in the first one it is participle and was not planning. Planning is the verb phrase. Now pick out from the example infinitive, participle or gerund. Michael kept working. Here working is gerund. What did he keep? Working. So it is gerund. Seeing all people he was more pleased. Seeing is the participle. And the only way was to swim. 2 plus verb 1. So it is infinitive. Keep watching the videos and practice grammar. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time.